How to fix Instagram message not sending and receiving on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open the App Store or Play Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Just click update if you found it here, and now if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings, scroll down until you find here battery. Now make sure power saving mode is disabled. Maybe you'll find it like that. Just click on it, and now let's move to the next step. Go to apps, this one for Android phones, apps again, type here Instagram and click on it, then go to data usage, make sure all of those are enabled, then click force stop and go to storage clear cache. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.